Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's always been hot in the tech community, choosing the right operating system. Should you go with Windows or Mac? Or is Linux the unsung hero? Let's break it down. Windows is one of the most popular operating systems in the world. It's widely used in both personal and professional environments. Its versatility and compatibility with a wide range of software make it a go-to choice for many. But is it the best option for you? Let's explore some key points. We've all been there. The dreaded blue screen of death, random system crashes, and the endless updates. While Windows can be great, these issues can drive anyone crazy. Despite its popularity, these challenges can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of important tasks. Macs are known for their sleek design, smooth performance, and seamless integration with other Apple products. Creative professionals often favor Macs for their reliability and aesthetic appeal. But with all these perks comes a hefty price tag. Let's see when a Mac might be the right choice for you. While Macs are fantastic machines, they aren't without their downsides. Repairs can be costly, and you might find yourself spending more on accessories than you planned. Additionally, the limited software options can be a hurdle for those who need specific applications not available on macOS. Linux can be a bit of a challenge for beginners, but once you get the hang of it, it opens up a world of possibilities. For tech enthusiasts and coders, it's a playground of customization and performance. Its open-source nature allows for unparalleled flexibility and security. So which one should you choose? It really comes down to what you need: performance, security, or just something that works out of the box. Windows offers broad compatibility, Mac provides a seamless ecosystem, and Linux delivers customization. Consider your priorities and choose the one that fits your lifestyle. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which operating system you prefer. Stay tuned for more tech insights in our next video. See you next time.